Hi guys, Kamaster here. Today we are doing a test. Rifle testing. Now, we are going to test if this rifle is any different to Callie's sniper rifle without the explosive attachment. Callie's sniper rifle from Rainbow Six Siege. Let's test it out. So obviously we got removable scope, removable barrel. I would prefer the scope off because goodness gracious. Yeah, this will be my first Nerf gun testing. I don't know, it's just something I wanted. It would just be something I want to do if it's not like a gaming video. Now, let's test. By the way, if you hear clanking, it's my brother putting dishes away. Alright. Oh wait. Forgot to show you how to prime it. I mean, it's a bolt action rifle, so yeah. I'm gonna shoot at the iPad. Yep, that is all. And by the way, genuine question, everyone. Okay, that was my sister. Alright. That was my sister, sorry about that. Genuine question. Do you, in the game Rainbow Six Siege, do you consider yourself a sniper?
Like get out, so others doing a live stream.
Excuse me.
Like, get your butt out of here.
Let's just get this practice so better comes back. Do you consider yourself a sniper? Actually, scratch that. Do you consider yourself giving back shots to someone? In Rainbow Six Siege. Goodness gracious. Oh wow, the scope's. Thank God, I thought I broke the scope there. But yeah. Actually, screw the question I just answered. Do you consider yourself a sniper in any game? If you do, let me know in the comments. And I think maybe that will be it for today. Yeah, again, this is just something I would like to do. If it's not like a gaming video, this would be something I would like to do compared to the shorts I make. So, yeah. Let's see if it works close range. I don't know if it did. But yeah, that will be all for today. And by the way, viewer description. Actually, no. There will be some R6 videos in the future. I might do some grinding off screen though. So yeah. That will be it. My viewers, commenters, and subscribers. This is Master signing out.